fireplaces have long caught the designer's fancy. Contemporary designers have introduced elegant, chic and sophisticated designs, while others have worked with original designs to recreate a look of ancient luxury. Palazzetti partnered with Savio Firmino to create designs for luxurious classic fireplaces. The pictures below showcase one of their creations that spell intricate workmanship and elegant design. Great dimensions lend their enormity that makes the fireplace distinct and noteworthy. Take a look below.